Erokamano ahinya Millicent. Kawadhi nyime ni nonro mar bero ne ringre Richard Otieno oyango ni nowito ngimane kaluwore kod hinyruok maricho mane oyudo e wiye mane okel kod le kata opanga. Lipot mar jabero mar piny owacho Johansen oduore kar kano ringre ma Kericho County oyango ni noyudo hinyruok e wiye dinuoya, wach mane osir kod laktar Titus Ngulugu mane ochung'ne familia. Okil mar familia kod joriwruok makedo ne ratich oganda orwako lipodno ka giwacho ni en okang' maber e timo nonro e wi nek mar Robert.
What we found is the late Richard had several severe injuries. There were multiple slash wounds on the back of the head, which led to fracture of the skull and the extensive bleeding of the brain. There were also some slash wounds on the frontal area of the skull, though this one did not fracture the brain, the skull, and there were also bruises on the face. What also we found was also more bruises on the arms, which looked like someone who was trying to defend himself. So from these findings, we can say that the late Richard died as a result of severe head injury, which was caused by a sharp object, which could either be a panga or an axe, which was used severally on the head.
I'm very satisfied because the Director of Criminal Investigation, the Department of Homicide, are on the ground and they are doing work, good work. I can assure the public that. And also the doctors have done a good work. So I have nothing to complain. So the public, something is being done. I'm standing here as the family lawyer confidently saying that everything is in order.